just one and don't at least that one and this one. Although yours is higher.
Huh?
Yours is higher a bit sometimes.
That one is 600 square meters.
Yes, it is.
Really?
2 million, yes.
2 million. Does that document?
It has.
Which document? But I don't think.
It has. It's on P1. That's the one I got back on P1.
Maybe that one will be inside bush now, something.
It's foul.
2 million. It has title.
Yes. Far.
As I know, any land that does not have title here between that 2 million, 2 point something.
Well, like I said, it's not as. You know, I was telling you, let me sleep, wake up, sleep again.
Yeah.
Within a second of our way. Far.
What that one was it fenced like this?
It was.
This flag there.
Yes. That just it's not easily accessible to people. What happened?